Oh, here we are again in the chaos that will be once again our summer wildflower garden. Once I get in there, the frost is gone and we get all the weeds out of the way. And somehow, between now and then, we have got to kind of make some sort of out of this chaos before you. We're going to be planting loads of vegetables, but mainly in tubs because it's easier. We just want to do a test run, so I'll get back to you later on. At the moment it's barely dawn and we're up. I love this time of day though. So, the onions are already in, look. Got some of them coming up already. There's some more under there. And some chives. And here we've got our lavender and sage we took cuttings last year, so they're doing okay. Oh, good. The neighbours are up. Right, so let's see how we get on today and see if we can make some headway with this log. We'll get some loads of bricks around as well. Oh, see you later.